IT jobs are amongst the fastest growing career trends in the world now. They hold the bag of the highest paying fields, with a continuous increase in demand. Careers like Python developers, machine learning engineer, data scientist, big data developers etc. are in high demand all around the world. Here is a list of the 10 top careers in technology with high income earnings. The 10 best high income earning technology careers. The advent of technology has brought about a lot of change in the business world. Many businesses have undergone and still upgrading to the digital world. Due to these changes, the technology career field is prolific with many career paths to choose from. Presently, the technology and IT careers include front-end developer, back-end developer, testers and data analyst, just to name a few. But as virtual reality (VR), IoT devices, artificial intelligence (AI), and blockchain have become popular in enterprises, numerous new technology careers will be the main highlight of the tech world. Job roles like big data and IoT developers have witnessed significant growth, and new tech careers will have importance as well. So, if you are searching for high-end job profiles in the field of technology, here are some careers that you can ruminate. Python developer. First on our list is the Python developer. If you are looking forward to learning any fast-growing and widely used programming language as of 2019, then Python should be your first choice. Recent trends in the technological world have shown that Python offers the most promising career openings when it comes to programming languages. Python is a high-level programming language that is recognized as an efficient device for creating vibrant scripts at all levels. Though it is a new programming language, it has a wide variety of uses ranging from building complex systems, web applications, and other relevant software and apps. Also, Python is outstanding when it comes to web development as a whole. With its automatic memory management feature and an active system type, it provides web developers with the ability to work on several models at a go. Thus, when you have a good mastery of how to work on the multiple DASes, it will be easier to get involved and have several job openings to work as a Python developer. Python is also used in web development frameworks like Django and Flask, scientific computing including data analysis, and data visualization, scripting, especially for prototyping. It is also used in the development of graphical user interfaces, embedded applications, gaming, and DevOps tools. It is also widely used for educational purposes as it is the first language when it comes to teaching programming. So, with its extensive usage as seen above, taking up a course and mastering the language will easily sell you out in the job market. The language is also easier to learn because its codes are closely related to our very own human language. Estimated salary. As of 2019, the average salary for a Python developer is about $116,520 per year. Machine learning engineer. Machine learning is also one of the top growing fields which are rapidly evolving with time in every industry today, be it in the healthcare, financial or automotive industry. It is an incredible form of artificial intelligence which is extensively and widely appreciated in almost every domain of production. Machine learning engineers are the programming experts who use their skills and techniques in developing artificial intelligence systems and later use their output for numerous projects. The application of machine learning today can be seen in popular systems like image and speech recognition, medical diagnosis, prediction, classification, learning associations and many more. They carry out machine learning experiments using a programming language with machine learning libraries and come up with computerized solutions which are then used for production. The opportunities are endless with machine learning as they are needed in helping business examine larger and more complex data to discover hidden patterns, reveal market trends, and identify the best customer preferences. They are critical thinkers who develop prediction systems which are widely demanded by most businesses today. It is a highly demanded skill in today's job market with high earning potentials. Estimated salary. The national average salary for a machine learning engineer is about $114,826. 3. Big data developer. Data is one of the most difficult aspects. Every company faces challenges in managing, and companies create hundreds and thousands of bytes of data daily, which becomes difficult to store, manage, process, or access the data. So the need for a faster and more reliable means of storing these data kept increasing, which eventually brought about the big data developer concept. A big data developer is someone who is responsible for the coding or programming of a big data application. Taking Hadoop as an example, a big data developer is responsible for designing, building, installing, configuring, and supporting Hadoop's development and implementation. As it stands now, the job market for big data developers with expert Hadoop skills is fast growing and expanding as more companies are in dying need of big data developers. So, if you start gaining the expertise of computing and working with a large number of data bytes, 2019 will come with a good number of openings to get a high-paying job as a big data developer for many different companies worldwide. Estimated salary. The average annual pay for an entry-level big data Hadoop developer in about $112,340 a year. Data scientist. In simple words, a data scientist is someone who practices the art of data science, which is all about building relevant information, thus transforming it into data-driven products. They are IT specialists, trend spotters, and mathematicians who decrypting the complex logic behind the large volumes of data. They are highly demanded in the IT and business world today for analyzing huge company data in order to give the perceptions, which companies can leverage into scalable actions. Data scientists are very curious, who are capable of managing huge amounts of data, and more than that, they analyze and use such huge data to reach important inferences and spot trends for predictions. As we all know, we live in a data-driven economy, and data scientists are very important to every organization, making it a very promising technology career for 2019. In order for you to become a data scientist, you will need to have some expertise in several tools like SQL, Objective-C, JavaScript, Tableau, and more. Estimated salary. The average salary for a data scientist is about $121,783 per year. Full-stack engineer. A full-stack engineer is a developer who is capable of working with both the front and back ends of a website or application, meaning they can handle projects that involve databases, building user-facing websites, servers, systems engineering, or even work along with clients during the planning phase of projects. As a full-stack engineer, you need to be able to work on both sides and see what essence of business goes in the application. Depending on the project, what customers need may be a mobile stack, a web stack, or a native application stack developer. According to a Stack Overflow developer survey, full-stack web development has witnessed a rapid increase in demand and is amongst the most popular developer occupations. For example, as a full-stack web developer, you need to have a good understanding of how the web works at each and every level in order to create and maintain the front end and the back end of a web application, and must also be proficient with the various languages used to develop a web application. So, if you are looking to getting some high-paying jobs from now on, you should start mastering the skills and techniques for full-stack engineering. Estimated salary. A full-stack engineer earns an average salary of $109,833, median salary of $110,000, with a salary range from $65,043 to $145,000. Back-end developer. While full-stack developers work with both the front and back end of the application, the back-end developers are specialized in working on the server side of the applications. They are aware of everything that happens even before you take any action on your browser. They boost the functionality of the application and also optimize them for speed and maximum efficiency. In order for you to kick off this career path, you need to have a mastery of at least one server-side programming language like Java, Python, Ruby, etc. Back-end developers work alongside with front-end developers and other software developers in order to come up with a fully working and functional software. Some knowledge of various DBMS software like MySQL, MongoDB, Oracle, and SQL Server is another important need of backend developers. Estimated salary. A backend developer earns an average salary of about $72,043 per year. Digital marketing specialist. With the rapid advancement in digital marketing, most organizations want to have their business websites on top search engine rankings. Now, they are in need of experienced persons who have digital marketing skills to increase and maintain their visibility on search rankings. With the rising number of startups and businesses, there is an increasing demand for people who can work with the company's marketing team to find their target market, create a solid brand image, and produce and maintain a marketing campaign for the internet and digital technologies. So, a career as a digital marketing specialist is sure to be a trend for today and the future. Estimated salary. A digital marketing specialist earns an average salary of $51,515 a year, and a salary ranges from $23,500 to $73,000. 8. Blockchain developer. Blockchain, being the revolutionary technology which has unlocked a new area of development called blockchain development, has created a huge impact both in the technological and business era with numerous income streaming opportunities. A blockchain developer is someone who works for development and executing of a solutions using blockchain technology. Basically, any developer who is involved in the development of blockchain technology can be referred to as a blockchain developer. One of the most misleading trends in today's society with regards the blockchain is thinking that blockchain is related to cryptocurrencies. However, in the simplest words, blockchain indicates, block is the simplest form of data, while chain on the other side is something where you make a series of data. This series or previous blocks cannot be changed, which is what makes it secure for the general control and manipulation of data. With this secure technology, organizations no longer require the help of a third party when it comes to validating their business transactions. With the dying need of such secure means of easily controlling data and increase in its usage, the demand for experts who know their way around working with the technology increases simultaneously. According to statistics from TechCrunch, the American online publisher focusing on the tech industry, blockchain-related jobs are the second fastest growing category of jobs. Estimated salary. The median salary for a blockchain developer is now as much as $127,000 per year. IoT Internet of Things developer. This topic is becoming an increasingly growing worldwide topic of discussion with so much attention in mastering the art of how it functions. It's a wide-spreading concept which is concerned with not only how we live but also how we work. Internet of Things is the future, be it in our Wi-Fi connection, cars, home appliances, or devices. Everything is connected over the internet. According to research, studies and statistics are drawn from Gartner, the number of IoT devices is expected to reach to about 30 million devices by 2020. Also, IoT will as well come along with an increase in the efficiency of business organizations, as it will assist in predictive maintenance, enhance customer service and more. Yet, companies complain that there are not enough IT professionals for this profile. So, it is advisable for you to take up this opportunity, as the regular boom in this market and lack of adequate professionals to handle the task will make IoT a leading career trend for the future. Estimated salary. The average salary for an Internet of Things developer is $106,000 per year. Cloud DevOps engineer. Last on our list is the Cloud DevOps engineers, which is another very lucrative field. Nowadays, most businesses are shifting to the cloud for managing their organization data and resources. So, they are now in need of Cloud DevOps engineer to manipulate the cloud systems and streamline the development of cloud services. No matter the type or level of business growth, there will be a high demand for various Cloud DevOps engineer opportunities as of 2019. Estimated salary. People working as a Cloud DevOps engineers are making on average $124,123 per year. technology is never constant and keeps evolving at a very rapid pace, with annual trends coming in and going outdated in no time. Yet, technology-based careers don't completely change. Instead, they simply grow with time, and as an IT expert, you will no longer find yourself diving into the same technology. According to Raj Mukherjee, the Senior Vice President of Product at LinkedIn, the demand for technology workers will grow very rapidly compared to other industries. For more career tips, subscribe to this channel. And visit this website to find high-income technology jobs.